So after that, we have the first look of Windows 10X. Remember that it's running on a virtual device like Windows and Windows, so that's why it's a bit slow, but it will be more fine than you have to install in main hard drive, and soon we will have that. So for now, let me show you the what you can do right now if you have Windows 10X on virtual machine. So for that, you can change your background. Here is the first look of Windows 10X. Here we can change the background, and here you see the background. And when we push the start button, we have Chrome, like no Chrome, but it's Microsoft Edge updating itself because I'm connected to internet. And after that, we have settings, Windows security, and of course Microsoft Store. The camera is not working right now, I don't know why, but whenever I open Microsoft Store, let me show you. Where is the Microsoft Store? And I just tried to install Angry Birds 2. Let's see if it works or not. It's getting installed. It's getting installed. Let me see system requirement. Your device should meet these requirements. I think the apps that are compatible with ARM architecture, like Windows Phone or other ARM devices, they will good to go on Windows 10X. So just see if this works or not. By the way, touch is working, and touch is working, but working slowly because it's a virtual machine. So we have to wait for installation finished. And meanwhile, I let me show you the more things we got. We have alarms, news, tips and tricks, photos also, calculator, and weather app of course. And let me check out the settings. Whenever you click on setting, it's just like Windows 10 default setting. And we have accounts. You can set your PIN also if you don't want to use your Microsoft passwords and the Microsoft passports. If you don't have internet, then you can use the offline setup also. Time and language, we have personalization. Let me see what we got in personalization. Background, and after that, let me show you what we got in system. Wow, it's rotatable, and it's a bit slow. Depend on your PC configuration. It's taking time, and the quality of internet is excellent, but I don't know why it's taking much time. Meanwhile, let's check out, maybe it's installing some apps in the background. Yeah, it's downloading still. And what is this? Okay, it's a task view. Wow, great. And here we have that action center. It's unclickable. You can just see this, and you can't customize this yet. Maybe the upcoming things fix this. Like, okay, I got this. Wide display, VPN, compose mode, do not disturb, rotation lock, location, ease of access. Here we have the shutdown button, also the battery charging indicator, and also we have installing antivirus too. Let me see if it works or not. And by the way, you can use remote desktop because it's mid-level of Chrome OS, so it will be optimized for low-end devices, and it will take low space on your hard drive or SSDs, so it will be much faster for your PCs and computers that have low configuration, and you can use it for like office and online work or browsing and videos also. Still installing. Let me check out weather app. We have fully optimized store like Windows 10. When we click on include in with the device, there is no items because it's a clean install and such an early beta. So this app just recently got updated, and here you can see maps also works, and okay, Microsoft Edge is just got updated. Let's see if it's works or not. Okay, it works now. So whenever, let's try to install Google Chrome, if it's working or not. Okay, yes, when we click on download Chrome, let's see what happened. It's detecting Windows 10X or not. Let's see. Okay, let's see when we try to download Chrome. Maybe it's slow because of screen recording, maybe, or something like that. Okay, I have to download it manually. Let's see if exe file working or not. Okay, opening file. It's not opening right now. Yeah, it's not opening. I think it's not working. Okay, show in folder. Come on, come on. Yeah, it's not working. You can see there is no icon. Okay, it will not work. So let's try. Let's try Chrome for ARM. Okay, let's see what happened. Well, Chrome is optimized for Apple M1 ARM chip, so hopefully it will make way to Windows 10X soon. Let's see, here is another option. Other platforms, okay. Android. iOS and Android. Okay, we will try Mac with Apple chip. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's still installing. It will not work because it's a DMG file. Of course, it will not work. Chrome is not yet available, so we have to wait for Chrome. So this was the first look of Windows 10X, and hope you will enjoy that. That's it for now, and the IRM things will work like the things on working Windows Phone will work on Windows 10X, but the X64 or X32 apps will not work. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video, and peace for now. See you.